What's going on, guys? Johnny Trades here, and I want to go over a quick recap video with you guys. Today we locked in $62 in profit here on Staffing 360, or ticker symbol STAF. Now, we also locked in money on Vrax, $28.48, and I could show that to you as well right here. Just doing a real quick recap for all of you that are new or watching this for the first time. I trade live in the stock market in the morning, Monday through Friday. If the stock market is open, you can guarantee I will be live trading. And I do that for about 30 minutes to an hour every single day with our Learn to Earn team. So definitely check that out. As you can see here, we did have some profits this morning. It was very nice. Nothing too crazy, but we're able to bypass about $80 within the last few trades that we've had. Now 42 on Vrax and $34 if you count 4 cents, $34 on Staf. And so real quick, I just wanted to talk to you about it here, as it wasn't the best trade either. There's a lot of opportunity where I can do better. And so moving on, even into tomorrow, for our trading session in the morning. So you can also check out, subscribe to the channel, and you can check out when I go live. Like I said, I'll be live in the morning, so you can join a live stream, watch me trade in and out of positions, get inside my head as to what exactly I'm doing, ask questions, and join the conversation overall, as we do have quite a few people that join our early morning live stream sessions, as I do trade and answer questions at the same time. Pretty cool, 100% free. Check it out. So guys, staffing came up on the screener today. As we see, we have the screener. If you have a screener, it'll look probably like this in your Weeble account. Just go over to tops up here at the top gainers, and then you can change it to pre-market, after hours, 5 minute, 1 day, 5 day, all the way up to 1 week. So we went to pre-market. Staffing came up. I was very interested in Air Industries as well as GD Culture Group. Mobix Labs was another one, and there was one other one, I believe. Our Vrax. So these came up on the scanner. I did take a look at them right away, and I did see that, hey, this went up very nicely at 2 a.m. my time, or 4 a.m. when the market actually opens. It went up in a matter of 10 minutes. It went up 137%. So to put that into perspective, if you put $1,000 in, or let's just say 100, if you put $100 into this trade in 15 minutes, you could have made an additional $137 on top of your $100, walking away with $237. So very cool. I did miss that trade here, as I did not wake up early enough to catch this. Now I did wake up at 5 a.m. Was it 5 a.m.? No, it was more like 6. Woke up at 6, did a light workout, got ready for the day, and by 7 o'clock, I was sitting down right here at my computer. Now, 7 o'clock my time is actually already 9 a.m. So that did just cross over into like the official pre-market, where Robinhood, other platforms like Fidelity, things like that, TD Ameritrade, are able to trade and are able to execute more orders at 7 a.m. So we have the ability to trade as far out as 2 a.m. to 7:30. That's when my market opens here. So technically it'd be 4 a.m. to 9:30 Eastern time. Now, with that said, I did get in on this because the simple fact was it was staying above this SMA line, the 200-day moving average. It was staying above this line here. And we were able to identify an upward trend, that it was bullish, in fact, and it did not break this pattern here. Now, as soon as I realized this was not going to be broken, I decided to buy 100 shares at this point, and then buy another 100 shares at this point here, hoping to get back up to these highs of about 365, 364, something like that, for a 20% profit. That was my trading plan. If it did break the EMA line and go down to, I believe it was at 295, then I would cut my losses and get out of the trade at 295. So I bought 100 shares at $3.02. I bought another 100 shares at $3 even, which gave me 200 shares at a $3.01 share price. Now, as this began to go up, I wanted to lock in profits as this red candle was very scary. I thought I could potentially sell off. I sold at 314, 100 shares. And then this very next candle, I sold another 100 shares at 322. So from having, so I was up already 20 to 30 cents, and I was able to lock in $33 in profit. So pretty interesting. It was very fast. It all happened within 5 minutes, and it was above the EMA line, so there was really no reason to actually sell at that point, as it didn't get to my actual trade idea of $3.65. I could have got another 40 cents on my trade idea. And not only that, it went up to as high as $4, and then it got halted. When it got halted, it just stopped for about a minute or two, and then it resumed and it sold off, where I could have bought more here at 360 and went up to 460, making another $1 profit per 100 shares. So that would have been $100 profit right there. If I wouldn't have sold all two positions and I would have just kept it there at $3 and a penny, selling at, say, a 460, 450 even, that would have been a 50% profit, but that would have been a $1.50 per share at 200 shares. That'd have been like $300, guys. So very quick, easy money. A lot could have been made on this opportunity, and I sold way too early. Still locking in money, so not too bad there. And then our last one I wanted to call out was, or the last one I wanted to showcase was Vrax. That was our winner today, $42.56 on Vrax. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And if you guys would like to learn more about Weeble specifically and how I use it to day trade and make money in the stock market, or maybe you just want to learn how to set it up for yourself so you can start trading stocks in the market, definitely check out my Learn to Earn lesson library. Really short, there's only 10 or 12 videos in there. I show you how to sign up for this brokerage, how to set it up, how to make it look like mine to make it easier to trade when you do start trading, how to set up paper trading, because that is a free feature on here, as well as how to set yourself up for success as far as trading criterias, checklist, and identifying all the key focuses before placing a trade. Also talk about simple things like what's a simple moving average, what's an EMA or an exponential moving average, what happens when they cross over each other, etc. So a lot of great videos. What is an SRI, what's a MACD, etc. You can find all those videos in the Learn to Earn lesson library. Now on Vrax, very nice trade here. Now we did trade this a couple of days here. Was it back? Where did we trade it at? We traded it over here. Missed a huge opportunity buying 60 shares at 469, selling 60 shares at 488, locking in a few dollars here, but missing out on majority of that trade, up over 86%. So missed another $100 day easily over there. So then come to today, I noticed that, hey, this went up very nicely from yesterday to market close. It went up 142%. I did not trade it this day either. I mean, man, even if I would have had $100 in on it, right? $100, which would have been about 20 shares. Very nice, 20 shares. It went up from 3 to 8. That would have been $5 per 20 shares. That would have been a quick $100 on $100. It would have doubled. Your money would have doubled. Could have put 1,000 in here and your money would have doubled to 1,000. So I seen the pullback occur. Once the pullback happened, I did notice that, hey, it's coming back above this EMA and SMA line. And there was also some news about the MPOX and stuff going on today, this morning as well. Noticed it crossed over and thought, hey, I'm going to buy in on the next pullback. It had 3 solid candles. I waited for this first red candle. I got 100 shares at 620. and sure enough, it went all the way up to 675. I sold 50 at 640 and 50 at 657, which was just a minute in between each other. Should have waited a little bit longer, as I did leave, you know, a good amount, you know, 50, what did it say, 57, a good 25 cents, good 25 cents on the table, 25 to 30 cents on the table per share. So 25 or $30. At one point it was up to $50. By the time I hit the actual sell market, it was already down to those levels of 640 and 657. So definitely some room to work on, but good mitigating your risk management. You know, the other trades I did before this one, so I didn't hold long enough, locked in money, right? And then this one, good thing I didn't hold too long, because it actually ended up selling off on this candle and then the very next candle, and it continued to sell off all the way throughout the day. So good thing that it went with my trading plan. I got in way too high though at 620. I would have been better off getting on this first green candle down at 530, getting in at 530 up to that 620 mark where I got in, or even 630, would have been already $100. So by the time I wanted to buy in, where I did, I would have already bought in at 645, been up $100, locked in profits, let it sell off, buy again if I wanted to at this EMA and ride that up, right? Either way, it would have been a lot easier to go from this green candle to here and make $100 than it was to do this and go down and then go back up and then sell back down in this area. So this trade would have been much easier and more fluid. This one was a heck of a lot more risky. But still able to lock in $62. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick recap video. Oh, I could also show you Mara real quick. Made $18 on Mara. Now this was not today, that's why it's not factored into there, or else it'd be more like 80 something dollars. But I can show you the Mara trade, as Mara did push up very nicely, and I did want to showcase that to you guys here. Was it here? Yeah, no, right here. It was this one. So again, another solid trade. I seen this pullback on Mara, came to this support level here of about 1640, 1650, and I thought, you know what, if it holds right around this area, I'm going to get in. I got in on this area here because it was consolidating with that blue 45-day moving average. And so I bought, you know, 10 shares, 160 bucks, nothing crazy. Had a huge spike up early morning. I sold right under that $17 mark, 20 shares at $16.92, which was able to give me that $18, almost 20 bucks. Pulled back, right? That good thing I sold here because it pulled back, but not so good that it bounced off of here and actually increased and went up all the way to 1779. So from lows of 1650 to highs of 1779, could have made 8% on 10 shares. 1646 to 1746 would have been why does that say 20 shares? 20 shares, 18 bucks. So I brought my average to 1630. That was my new average. So I had 20 shares at 1630 because I had 10 shares from the previous day. 1630, 20 shares, we would have been up $20 at 1730. $20 would have been up $30. $30 on a small $300 trade. $300 trade. So not too bad. Still locked in profits, locked in 18 bucks on Mara, locked in $34 on Staf, and locked in $42.50 on Vrax. Guys, if you want to watch me trade live every single day, smash the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification, and make sure you wake up before market open, because we will be live at market open to trade live, show you guys what my thought process is, what I'm doing, and exactly how you can do the exact same thing. So don't forget, if you like this, smash that like button. Let me know that you liked it. And I hope you enjoyed the recap. We'll see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, so it's going to be very exciting. Let's go for a $100 day tomorrow. If we can get 2 positions at $50 each in profit, that'll be $100 on the day. If we can get 3 positions at $50 each-ish, or $40, that's $120 to $150 on a Friday. So let's see what we can do. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.